Hey guys, welcome to our channel that is Regrob.com, and today in this video we are visiting at Loharuka Green Island project, which is located in Rajarhat Kolkata. It's an under construction project, as here you can see the construction work is going on in full swing. The project offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. Green Island project is very much near to Loharuka Green Enclave project. So we are giving you the view of surrounding. So the path you are seeing, it leads towards the main road, and from the main road, the right way leads towards Chinar Park and the left way leads towards Rajarhat Chaumata. Loharuka Green Island project is sprawled over 1.40 acres of land. It carries 5 number of towers with 6 floors each and total comprises of 110 numbers of units. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you want more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.